Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. Back at our 85 Fiero GT build. As you can see, I am sitting on the floor of this thing. We pulled the seats out. I had to pull the one seat out to work on the parking brake cable, and we pulled the other one out to allow easy access to the heater core. So this is going to lead us into this next project, which is the interior cleaning. So what we're going to do, I'm going to get out of here. These floors are covered in mold, just from sitting around. The leaky heater core didn't help either. You can see some mold and mildew on pretty much every surface of the car. So this is where Blake comes in. Blake's specialty is interior detail. So he's going to get this cleaned up, get the carpet scrubbed, de-mold and mildew everything. And he's going to start with the seats. So he got a seat over here he's going to work on. So the seats are in really great shape. I mean, they're not faded, they're not tore or wore, they're just got a little bit of dirt on them and some mold. So he's gonna get these cleaned up, and we're gonna start this interior process. All right, guys, so Blake got this all scrubbed up. Come out real nice. It's a little damp yet, so we're gonna let it dry, and we'll get it installed. There's the water come out of it. Pretty nasty for a seat. That was all good, clean water. So I can't wait to see what the carpet looks like. So he's gonna work on this next. Blake has spent a lot of time on this interior, and he scrubbed everything. Everything cleaned up pretty nice. Seats come out real nice, carpet come out real nice. Walk around the other side. We got the battery on charge. We're going to take this out for a road test. But yeah, it come out real good. Yeah, this thing was in the garage, for the last 30 years, so the sun really never got to anything. Nothing's cracked, nothing's faded. A little bit of discoloration on the armrests where the door pulls are, but I think that's to be expected. They're just kind of stained. We tried many different things to get rid of that, and then just can't get rid of it. So, so yeah, guys, that's going to conclude the interior cleanup of the 85 Fiero. So, as always, we appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, and commenting, and we'll catch you later. Thanks.